the deep moisturizing conditioning treatment to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft. This helps to strengthen, nourish, and hydrate your curly hair. After the towel step, gently rinse your hair with cool water to seal the cuticle and lock in the moisture. Finally, pat your hair dry with a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt. Deep moisturizing treatments are ideal for dry and brittle hair. This treatment, usually done once or twice a month, helps to restore your hair's moisture balance and prevents breakage. So, make sure to incorporate this step into your regular hair care routine for healthier and more hydrated curls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more curly hair tips.